Shakalaka, happy Saturday everyone. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the best charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies out there. You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at some very interesting Bitcoin charts because as the market continues to chop sideways, people are very confused about what's happening with Bitcoin and crypto. So today we're going to settle that for once and all. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love, and let's get into it. Oh yeah, push the like button. Now, today we are in extreme fear at 21, up from yesterday, about where we were last week. The overall market going pretty much sideways within about 0.5%. Bitcoin at 25.93, Ethereum at 11.98, BNB at 2.35, XRP 33 cents, Cardano 43 cents, Solana $36, and Dogecoin 6 cents. And if you want to know the top coins today based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, we have Quant, Uniswap, Polygon, and Ethereum. And if you want to check out Token Metrics for yourself, there is a 1-week free trial down in the description. And if you go to this research tab, you could see their code reviews, which is how they picked out Matic and also Helium and also some other 100x cryptocurrencies during this time of the bear market last time. Now, if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart today, we could see we have this very clearly defined pi cycle bottom that happened a few days ago on July 13th. Now, Bitcoin, since about a month ago, has been in this sideways wedge formation, poised to break out by the beginning of August. It's bounced off the bottom, off the top, off the bottom, off the top, off the bottom, off the top. Now, as of right now, Bitcoin is pretty much stuck between the 200 weekly moving average, this yellow line, and the $20,000 previous all-time high, this blue line. But it looks like we are forming a triple bottom. Bottom 1, bottom 2, and bottom 3. And if this breaks the confirmation point, which is right here at the 200 weekly moving average, roughly about $22,500, that would be an amazing buy opportunity for Bitcoin because that is a very good buy signal for Bitcoin. However, if we take a look at polls right now, a lot of people think the Bitcoin price is headed lower, and sometimes they could be right, but oftentimes the market likes to disappoint the most people possible. Now we have to take a look at this. This is the MLIV poll survey running from July 5th to 8th. Respondents were asked which level will Bitcoin trade at first, 10,000 or 30,000. So the market seems to think it's going to $10,000. Could they be right? Yes, they could. Might they be wrong? Yes, they also might. Let's take a look why. Well, to begin with, this is another thing where, yes, the price could potentially go down. This is Sir White Russian on Twitter talking about the 1,460-day periodic nature of Bitcoin. And if we take a look at this, just basically these sine or cosine waves, taking a look at both the bottoms and the tops. The pink one, the top here, picks out the top. The purple one, the bottom, picks out the bottom. And they seem to go back and forth. Now, it's been right once, twice. That means there's about a 75% chance it'll be right this time here. Now, it has picked out the top based on this 1,460-day periodic nature theory. However, will it be right for the bottom? Like I said, 75% chance, but it could potentially. And if it is, the bottom would be about December 26th of 2022. Not only that, but if we take a look at Bitcoin cycle age, which has a few lines here, the blue line is supply and demand rodal ratio, the orange line is the cycle age. Compared with previous cycles, it would not surprise him if demand continues to decrease or stays at low levels in the short term and coin supply therefore continues to age. On the other hand, Bitcoin has never been more relevant. So as you can see here, both of these are close to where they were previously at all-time lows, but they're not yet at those levels. Now, if we draw a line right here, you can kind of see this trend. It looks like pretty much exactly where we are. Same thing with a trend from here. Well, pretty close to where we are right now. But the exact low levels, no, we have not reached it yet. But parabolic theory, it works in the upside. It also works on the downside. 888 Velvet saying Bitcoin bottom formation, inverted 4-base parabola curve structure broke. Look at previous tweet to understand. Basically, we have this parabolic nature since the top, and it was finding support, and then broke through right there. And historically, parabolic curve pattern, the sell point is when it breaks that parabola. We have broken through that parabola. On the upside, that's sell time. On the downside, that would be buy time. William Quente saying, looking at Bitcoin's 4-year trend and standard deviations from the trend, it is below just for the 4th time ever. Okay, we can see here only ever below a few times previously when we break the 4-year trend. And none of your business saying that Bitcoin spent time spent within 10% of the low. Markets typically don't give you many opportunities to buy the low. This time is arbitrary and or subjective. We can see in 2011, just 9 days close to the low. 2013, 0 days close to the low. 2015, 2 days close to the low. 2018, 17 days close to the low. 2020, 0 days close to the low. And this time, 10 days so far, giving us quite the buying opportunity, the chance where we may regret it if we don't end up buying. Because like it or not, capitulation and or the bottom may already be in. We can see capitulation events, Bitcoin denominated realized losses over a 10-day period. We can see this has been the worst in history, and previous times when we had capitulation like we saw here, these were very serious bottoms. Not only that, but we have the directional movement index, which is this right down here. It's currently at reversal levels. Now these swings here correlate with swings in actual Bitcoin price. We are at the level where generally the price tends to go up when it reaches this top area. Previously, these were all bottoms for Bitcoin. So based on this, it would suggest that Bitcoin price would go up. If we take a look at the spread from the 200-day EMA Z-score, we can see this also, the 5th time in history, could be calling a bottom. Every previous time that it did this, guess what? Bottom, 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 bottom. Well, what would make this time different? So that being said, right now could be another Bitcoin fractal looking very similar to what happened from 2014 to 2017, where we had kind of this two-pronged downslope before a giant Nike swoosh. It looks like we have that going on right here. We've already done the two-pronged downslope, and we're right at the bottom of the Nike swoosh before the price goes up. So that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.